Welcome to Wednesday's Financial News Review, presented by Forex, a multi-award-winning Forex broker. Stay tuned as we bring you the latest financial news.
Amazon stock surged 2.5% on Tuesday, closing at $206.02, driven by strong cloud revenue growth and optimistic consumer spending trends. The Australian stock market index traded above $8,400 on Wednesday, marking its highest level in over 3 months and tracking a rally on Wall Street. Gold traded below $3,300 per ounce, after a sharp sell-off in the previous session, as a stronger US dollar and improving risk sentiment weighed on the precious metal. The Canadian dollar traded at around 1.38 per USD in late May, the highest since October of 2024, as bets of a less dovish Bank of Canada magnified the impact of a weaker dollar. Bitcoin traded at around $109,000 this Wednesday, following Donald Trump's decision to postpone high tariffs on European imports, easing investor concerns. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 8 a.m., Germany to release the unemployment rate for May, following 6.3% in April. At 10:30 a.m., the annual industrial production in India is expected to increase, after reaching 3% in April. At 8:30 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the crude oil stock change of May 23, following 2.5 million barrels in the week ending May 16. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 5 a.m., Japan to release the Consumer Confidence Index for May, following 31.2 in April. At 12:30 p.m., the gross domestic product growth rate in the U.S. is expected to decrease, after reaching 2.4% in the fourth quarter of 2024. At 2 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the pending home sales of April, following 6.1% in March.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Forex. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.